Toronto meets Orlando. The tour that Angie B presents will minister alongside B.A. Warrior to bring Central Florida a faith-filled family event. Come enjoy workshops, a very special book launch with author Farrah Hodgson. Meet and greet Orlando and Toronto's most gifted gospel rap artists. Shop with vendors. Network with business owners and entrepreneurs. Hear their testimonies and feel the love of the Lord for yourself. You will enjoy the day, but most of all, end your night on fire enjoying a truly anointed concert. Tickets are available for only $15 per person by calling 407-485-9598. That's 407-485-9598. Join us at Grace Journey Community Church, located at 10301 East Colonial Drive in Orlando, Florida. Register your family to participate in workshops targeted at parenting, relationship building, bullying, and mental illness. Get your tickets today by calling 407-485-9598. Search for a gospel concert, book release, and workshop event on Facebook. Toronto meets Orlando. Mark your calendars, and we will see you there.